Well, I'm on my way to book my city bus tour for tomorrow, and I've decided to take one of these wee motorised tricycle tuk-tuk things. Check my insurance policy, and I seem to be okay to be in one of those, so here's hoping.
This is the main bazaar at night. It's just as busy as during the day. Well, it's a nice sunny morning, and I'm just going to spend a fair bit of it sitting here in Central Park in Connaught Place. This is Central Park in Connaught Square, Connaught Place. Well, after last night's victory over Pakistan at cricket, things are beginning to turn back to normal here. But normal here is certainly not the normal that in the West we would think to be normal. Well, this is my last day in Delhi. It's just gone 8:30, had my breakfast, and the taxi is due to come at about 9:30. From there, run to the airport, which no doubt will be pandemonium as usual, and the flight leaves Delhi at 1:45.
As you can see now, I'm in the taxi on the way to the airport, and I just hope the taxi has better luck than it did when I arrived here, because I was only in it for about 2 minutes and it ran out of fuel. So here's home. Well, we arrived at the airport, didn't run out of fuel this time, so quite soon we'll be at the drop-off point and I'll get myself checked in.